Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week's exclusive love reading. So if you have any question regarding your complicated situation, relationship or marriage, please think about it, then watch this reading, it will be very effective. Sorry about that. Your first two cards are one of stars and the page, and your other two cards are the five of moons and the hierophant. So I do see that in the second week Sagittarius, you are getting some sort of victory, some sort of success in your love life. So maybe you have been trying to maybe you were chasing a person and trying to win that person over, and they were just not agreeing to get married to you or to be in a relationship with you. Now they will finally be ready for that. If somebody was not committing to you, they will. If you were not ready to commit, you will, right? If marriage was not happening, that will happen now. If you were trying to patch up with somebody, you had a reconciliation with somebody, and that was not happening, that will happen now. So any sort of problems that you were facing, if you were in a relationship or marriage and there were any sort of issues, family issues, in-laws issues, marriage not happening, or fights, a lot of fights happening, or babies not happening, if you wanted a pregnancy, everything, all the problems will be going away from your life, and second week will only be giving you a lot of success and victory in your love life. I also see some of you have been very, very nostalgic regarding the good old days that were there. If your relationship was problematic in the past few days, months, weeks, then you were obviously reminiscing the old good days. And also, if you are single, you obviously go back and to your, ex, and to that stuck relationship because you're not able to move forward or find a right partner, right? I do see that nostalgia energy here, but don't worry, because that is also going to go away. Your negative pattern, you will see that it's becoming positive. If you thought that I'm never gonna get married, I'm always gonna stay single, or nobody's gonna choose me, and if your morale was down, don't worry, because marriage is happening. You've got the card of Hierophant, which is a very, very good card. It's a card of traditional ceremonies which are happening. So in the second week of February, either you're getting rocofied or engaged or married, or at least you're starting to talk about certain things. You're doing kundli matching, meeting the priest, meeting the families of the boys, or at least finding the boy or the girl. So definitely in the second week, you yourself will see that there are a lot of changes which are happening in your personal life overall, all in whatever situation you are in, and they are going to be for your highest good. I do see your life moving forward, and I do see it is because you have given a lot of efforts in your love life, right? Everything that you're achieving right now, the success, the relationship, the smoothness, the peace, that is all thanks to your efforts. So Sagittarius, is going to be a beautiful week for you. If you resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to claim this positive energy, please do comment. I claim this energy, I manifest this energy so that it comes to you faster. And if you would like to book any reading, any ritual with me, oracle love reading, or any regarding your career, love, health, parents health, or any blockage removal ritual, please, you can contact me anytime on my Instagram DM. You can message me, I'll send you the charges and the list. It's very cheap, it's very budgeted, so that you can avail more and more services. It's not gonna be like, oh my god, it's making a hole in my pocket, not situation that all, not that kind of situation at all. So yes, you can either DM me on the Moksha Tarot and ask me about any reading or ritual, or you can email me at astharsharma842@gmail.com. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is very, very new. I've already doing have been doing Hindi channel videos, so this is the new one. Please do like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself, and we will see you soon. Bye bye. I will see you soon. Bye.